Get still, Andrew. Get still. Get still. What? Hey, don't bite.
He don't bite. He just wants to pet.
That's what he wants to do. Does he let us pet at this tail?
Yeah.
I thought he was gonna bite me.